Search tome.in in Chrome window. Go to the first site that has appeared. After that, sign in through your Gmail account. Here you have options like notification, personal, shared with me, templates, in the right side you have create option. Click on that and you have options like font style, theme, and here you can add images as well. Click on the record icon. At the bottom, there is a typing line where you have to just type your topic of presentation. And you have your presentation ready in a second. If you want to add more slides or images, then you can add there just by entering. This is the easiest way for getting your presentation ready through AI. After that, you just need to copy the link and then you can access from link anytime or can share to others as well. Thank you. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, Instagram and LinkedIn.